Hello, my name is Andrea, and in today's tutorial I'll be talking about all things QR code related. In the description of this video you can jump ahead to the content you're interested in, or you can listen to me the entire time. Let's get started. In today's day and age, you've probably seen a QR code and thought it could be a useful tool to implement. But what exactly is a QR code? A QR code is a machine-readable code typically consisting of an array of black and white squares, usually used for storing URLs or other information, and is read by the camera on a smartphone. So why use a QR code? You can put a QR code basically anywhere, and people like using it, I think, because they don't have to memorize a long website or type anything to find the website or link. They just have to take a picture with their phone or tablet. It's a modern approach to networking, collecting information, going green, and more. Less typing, faster connecting, and ease of use make QR codes a great tool. So where exactly can you put a QR code? Once you make a QR code image, you can download it and put it anywhere. On a flyer, on a sticker, on a name badge for an event, on a poster, on a table tent, on a brochure, in a video, on a web page, literally anywhere you think it makes sense to get your desired traffic. Here are some ways we've used QR codes in the past at the Office of Workforce Development. Checking in or registering for an event. This is particularly helpful if you are expecting a lot of guests and don't have a ton of staff helping to check in. We've used QR codes in the past for our annual conference with some success. Attendees could simply scan the QR code, check themselves in, come to our desk where they can get their swag. It's really made checking in streamlined. Survey feedback is another way we've used QR codes in the past. This is great. Instead of you having to print a ton of surveys, remember to bring pens, having to collect all the completed surveys. We just print the QR code, have people scan it on their way out, and we collect feedback that way. So now that you know all about QR codes, how do you go about creating them? Now it's time to learn how to make them using free tools that you probably already have access to. First up is Microsoft Forms. Once you create your form in Microsoft Forms, simply navigate to the Collect Responses button on the top right-hand corner. From here, you have a few options on how you want to share your form. The third option is QR code, so simply click that, and then you can see a QR code is automatically generated. From there, you can hit download, and then you can put that QR code anywhere we mentioned before, on a flyer, on a social media post, wherever. If you are interested in learning more about Microsoft Forms, check out our other video tutorial in this playlist called Microsoft Forms Walkthrough, where we go in depth on all things Microsoft Forms. Up next is general QR code. Okay, so Microsoft Forms is great, but what if I don't want to use Microsoft Forms? No worries. So if you want to create a general QR code to get people to visit a specific web page, there are a few online websites that offer free and custom QR code creation, so you might find a better option out there. But I really like using this website. It's called qrcode-monkey.com. It's free and you don't have to download any advanced software or extensions. It basically walks you through on what information you need to provide, but you just specify the URL or website you want your audience to go to. You can select from a wide variety of colors and design options. You can even include your logo. From there, you can create your QR code image and then download it as a PNG file, which is an image file type. From there, you can use it anywhere, as I mentioned, on a flyer, brochure, video, you name it, you can use it anywhere. So that's a great free tool to have. Last up is Dropbox. Dropbox comes with a free QR code generator embedded right in their website. So if you select the item you want to share in Dropbox, then click the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Create QR Code. It's as simple as that. Then you can just download the PNG and go from there. As a final note, if you're looking to share a file or item on any website, be on the lookout for new share options that might include a QR code generator embedded in their website, just like Dropbox. Otherwise, as long as you have the URL, you can create a QR code using that QR Monkey website. So I hope this video was helpful to you and you learned how to create and use QR codes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I've also included additional video resources in the description below. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.